for racing. Racing just is started. We have Petrus Blanca. Very quickly at the start. Moving up for the outside. Rida Rabensi. In the middle portion. Cash. Moana Vilea. Then next on that is Final Warning while Kiss Me Gently is the early trailer run going along for the first turn. We have Cash. Now takes command. Moana Vilea is right behind in second. Moving up for the outside. Rida Rabensi in the middle portion of his Final Warning. Then next on line is Petrus Blanc, Gold Baron, and Kiss Me Gently. Back to the leader, we have Kosh by about 3 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Final Warning. Then followed by Moana Belay, and on the outside, Rida Rabensky. Then next on line now is Petrus Blanc, Gold Baron, likewise now coming closer. Then next on line now is Kiss Me Gently. And Diana went entering the home stretch. We have Gosh by about 2 lengths. Then here comes Gold Baron running by the rail now is Petrus Blanc, and on the outside is Final Warning. Last 100 meters. We have Gosh. Gold Baron is on the outside. Gosh, followed by Gold Baron. Then comes Petrus Blanc. Final Warning. Rina Rabensky.
Another Dehado.com.